Welcome to Gemini Architecture. My name is Kailash, and today we start a project that is based on road lighting. So this is live project. So let's start with Dialex tutorial. We go for street lighting. Okay, this is my street. So I have a live project. So I show you what's client required. The clients require 7 meter wide road. Okay, and this requirement is 20 lux average, and this is the IS file. And we go in dialects. Suppose he need 7 meter wide road, so that is 7 meter. Okay, and pole height is approx 8 meter. So I go here in light panel, so I just import the luminary, this light. Client already provide me the IS file, so I just import it. So this is my file. Add road luminary arrangement. Go here, I already arranged the luminary. Go to 3D view. So this is a light. Okay, now I have 15 meter pole distance and 8 meter of height. Okay, so client need 20 lux on the base, so I just calculated it. Okay, go to documentation and check it for here for table and see that is 23 lux. So I just reduce the lux. So what I do, I go in dialects planning, and what is the that is pole distance 15 meter. I go and change this is 18 meter. Now again I calculated. Okay, check the documentation. So average lux is reduced, so I just increase that one. Again I go planning. Okay, just go press type here 17. Again I calculate it. Okay, that is 21. That is increase, so you just decrease this one. 17, 17.5. Again I calculated the accommodation. That's 24. You just reduce because that right now that is 20.4. 17.6. Okay, again change it 17.7. Okay, check the accommodation. Okay, that is okay, 20 lux. So so I got the average lux is 20. This is my report. This is the light, and this is this one. This uniformity is 0.43. This is my value chart. Okay, then after what you do, you go in print command and page determine page count. So this is your page. Now you just save the PDF where it's, so I just save in my desktop and give it the name anything and save it. If you like this tutorial, so this is my website, that is Gemini Architecture, and we have lot of courses for in lighting designing. We have AutoCAD, Dialex, and V-Ray lighting, 3ds Max, Revit, and lot of courses. If you need any kind of help, so this is my contact number and this is my email address. If you need any kind of help, you just send me an email on my email ID. And this is our YouTube channel, that is Zemni Architectural. And please subscribe my channel if you like my tutorial, and give me feedbacks on my channel. Thank you for watching my video.